Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable AirDrop restriction on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and we're going to tap on Screen Time. Then we go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, go down and tap on Allow Apps. In here, you want to go down and tap on AirDrop. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key at the top to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.